Hello friends, this is Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce this word Banal. 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 Banal means something that is very common, boring, or unoriginal, something you have seen or heard so many times that it feels dull. Banal. Banal. It means not interesting because it's too familiar. For example, the movie had a banal story. His speech was full of banal ideas. Banal. If something feels like same old, it's banal. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.